Welcome to the Bike Rider, everyone. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a superbike that's been redesigned to perfection. Known for its aggressive performance and cutting-edge technology, the RSV4 is set to redefine the sport bike segment. Let's explore what makes this model a true standout. Design and aesthetics. Aprilia has always been a brand that combines aesthetics with functionality, and the 2025 RSV4 is no different. The new design features sharper, more angular bodywork that enhances aerodynamic efficiency. The bike retains its iconic aggressive stance, but with updated lines that give it a more refined, modern look. The front end has been revamped with a sleeker headlamp setup, and the tail section has been trimmed for a more compact appearance, giving the RSV4 a more dynamic feel. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is its 1099cc V4 engine, delivering a mind-blowing 217 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. The engine is now more responsive and smoother than ever, thanks to updated tuning and an advanced electronic package. With a refined exhaust system, the RSV4 offers an even more exhilarating ride while maintaining the high revving character that fans love. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and features a quick shifter for seamless gear changes, ensuring you stay ahead of the pack. With a top speed nearing 200 mph, this bike is built for performance both on the track and on the street. Technology and features. One of the standout features of the 2025 RSV4 is its state-of-the-art electronics suite. The bike comes equipped with an advanced APRC system, including traction control, anti-wheelie, cornering ABS and engine braking management. The new 5-inch TFT display keeps you connected to real-time data, allowing you to customize your riding modes and track performance. In addition, the bike's updated ride-by-wire throttle system offers a more precise throttle response, while the revised suspension components ensure the bike remains planted and stable, whether you're cornering hard or cruising down the highway. Chassis and handling. Aprilia's commitment to delivering top-notch handling is evident in the 2025 RSV4. With a lighter, more rigid aluminum frame and a revised swing arm, the bike feels incredibly agile and responsive. The fully adjustable Öhlins suspension, paired with new Brembo brakes, provides unmatched stability and cornering performance. Whether you're taking it through tight turns or hitting the straights, the handling has been fine-tuned to offer confidence-inspiring control at all speeds. The chassis and suspension setup allow the RSV4 to perform seamlessly both on the track and the street. Final thoughts. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 takes everything we loved about its predecessors and takes it to the next level. With its refined design, potent engine, cutting-edge technology, and razor-sharp handling, this superbike is undoubtedly built to thrill. Whether you're an enthusiast or a seasoned rider, the 2025 RSV4 promises to deliver an experience that's second to none. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Aprilia RSV4. Is it the superbike of your dreams? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest bikes. Thanks for watching.